生女嘅名個後生女叫 Natalie 咁咁啊！依家咧，我哋經過呢啲地方咧，係都係啲 Amish 嗰啲地區嚟嘅，嗰啲咩 Amish 嗰啲咧就係一啲清教徒嗰啲地區啊。So I think there will be a public holiday. In these few days, so in the States. So especially the Saturday afternoon, they're very busy. Many local tourists, many local people. So they come down to the cave. They go to the cave. So not only to visit the cave. But also they go to the wildlife tour. Alright? So they have bus. So take the people to the mountain. So to see the wildlife in this area. So it's quite popular here. Quite busy I think. 在今天是星期六一般在这个山洞也挺多的那个当地人过来大小动物的比方说有熊有那个山猫的 bobcat 还有不同的那个鹿不同的鹿有其他的东西所以挺受歡迎嘅。我哋啲山區咧都係咧係野生動物嘅呢個保護區嚟嘅。咁其實咧喺呢個Pennsylvania 呢個賓夕法尼亞咧，因為佢嗰個山好多所以咧佢有部分嘅山頭咧已經係逼成咗呢個國家公園㗎啦。嗰個Penns Cave 啦呢個私人洞嗰度咧就整啲團車啲客人咧就走入去啲山區嗰度睇嗰個生態環境咁樣。